Master Sauce returns.
I am so disappointed. I told everyone how important vegetables are.
Who are you?
Old Master Sauce?
What?
Where are all the vegetables? I am disappointed. I can't leave sauceria like this. I am going to save them myself.
What's going on?
The village! What should we do?
Meat! Vegetables are good, but everyone needs a balanced diet.
No, a vegetarian diet is the only way to stay healthy.
Oh, no!
Yikes! I'll prove it with my cooking!
What?
Oh, well then. I'll give you 10 minutes to show me your skills.